For me, the South China Sea today is the most important international waterway in the world. Foreign Minister Wang Yi of China gave a talk at Washington, D.C. at CSIS. And he said, the Philippines and China are very close neighbors, separated by just a narrow body of water. China and the Philippines are not close neighbors. We are not separated by a very narrow strip of water. We must not allow this to pass unchallenged.
Dapat klaro kung ano talaga ang pahayag mo, kung ano talaga ang position mo dito sa mga issue na to. At yan po ang hindi natin makita dito sa mga ginagawa po ng pamahalaan sa ngayon.
There is some question about American wherewithal and commitment, but for now at least we have to hedge our bets, and US is a much more reliable partner, right? And China is still seen as the #1 state-based external security threat.
The people need to assert transparency, demand integrity, and exact accountability from the powers that be, who must adhere to the rule of law, even international law, including the law of the sea. The words of Roman statesman Marcus, M-A-R-C-U-S, Tullius Cicero, echo to this day. I quote, "A nation can survive its fools, and even the ambitious, but it cannot survive treason from within."